Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today is the fifth day lecture of our assignment number 7, and in lesson number 5, we are going to do a creative writing about the dealing with exam stress, which we have discussed yesterday. The objective of this lesson are that the students will be able to write a paragraph, and the success criteria is that they'll be able to write paragraph independently and they'll avoid spelling and grammatical errors. You have to write a creative writing. You have to write an essay on how you can deal with the exam stress, right? So for this you may read the passage exam stress again on page number 48 and 49. For writing a creative writing, for writing an essay, you may refer back to that page, give it a reading again, and then you will be able to write a paragraph on it. So our topic is how you deal with exam stress. You have to cover the following points after reading the paragraph, after reading the comprehension on page number 48 and 49. Then how do you prepare for exam? First of all, you have to discuss that what is your method of preparation for you preparing an exam. Which situation make you feel stress? Which moment make you feel stress? Which point make you feel stress? When you feel stress that you think that now I'm getting into the feeling of stress. Does your personality change when you are stressed? Is there any kind of change in your personality, like you become irritated with everyone, you feel loss of appetite, you feel headache, you can't sleep? Is there any change in your personality? You have to discuss that. If stress is dangerous for your health, obviously stress is dangerous for your health. You have to tell that in which way stress affects your health. And then in which situation can stress be a good thing? Do you think that stress is a good thing? Yes, in some situations stress is a good, because while your papers are near and you are just total stress free, carefree, then you'll not be able to do well, because you will feel you like you feel that you know each and everything and you'll be able to do everything well, but this is not the way to prepare the exam. So you have to discuss the way in which you think that stress is good thing, right? You have to cover all these points while writing the creative writing. Your word limit should not exceed than 175 words, right? So please be careful about the word limit. Your creative writing should not be too much lengthy. I hope you have understood all the points and you will be able to write a creative writing. If there is any difficulty, kindly let me know. I'm there to help you, right? Thank you.